Look at this. People chanting FEU, FEU.
This would play. And you can hear the crowd cheering for FEU.
All right. So far, FEU has locked down Jing Bully. Look at that. 3 people going up against Jing Bully. Rachel! It's Rachel's turn.
Oh, she gets it. Go Jing saves it.
Outside, Jing Bully! Look at this. People chanting FEU, FEU. Vargas. With a serve to Salgado. Oh, no one went up for the hit.
They need to communicate inside the court.
Oh, what a push from Eulalio. That was too easy. 4 touches and another go at it. Good chase by Cruz. This ball is good. Still in play. Oh!
Excellent timing in that quick play. Ang ganda, you know, pag angat ng bola, you see Eulalio already in the air. Look at that.
All right. Just to break it down for you, in that long sequence, Giselle C gave all the sets to Eulalio.
It
Diba?
was working.
Nung una, mahina. Nung pangalawa, nakalusot pero mahina. Nung panghatlo, hindi na nagkamali si Eulalio.
Oo.
Tinodo na. Rachel!
You see, she wanted it to work and it did work. In the series from FEU, of course, we have to give credit to C kasi yun ang magandang diskarte.
Oo. Giselle C getting ready to serve. Nice serve to Jing. Elaine Cruz against a triple block. Magsumbol, Eulalio and Rachel ganging up on Elaine Cruz. We're tied at 15. Dikitan talaga tong laban na to.
Nobody wants to let go of this game, of course.
Oo. Oh, inside.
Cruz actually dropped the ball. Expected na tinama talaga niya kami. Good defense from both these teams.
Oh, nice block by Rubinos. Here we go. Jing Bully.
Oh, look at that block from FEU. Really hanging on to each and every would play. And you can hear the crowd cheering for FEU.
And what a way for FEU to get or to tie San Sebastian for that unoffensive block against Jing Bully.
Triple block yun.
Oh. All right, Micah Morada needs to concentrate.
Oh!
Salgado gets hit.
On the face, but the ball is still alive.
Eulalio gets that quick spike through the defense, and Salgado, what a time for her to commit that mistake. All right, let's look at this previous play. Look at this attack, this quick play from Eulalio. Wally will take off speed. Covered by Agno.
And this time, she gets it.
Paano lumusot yun? Paano nakalusot yung bola? I'm going to give that point to Giselle C.
Swept over at the left side where there was no defense for San Sebastian.
26 all. Vargas. Oh! Wally pushes it off. Oh!
Miscommunication. Ito yung mga sigurado ko si Coach Roger dun sa bench nila. Umiiling-iling na lang because of disappointment. These are the things you don't want to see.
Yeah. And Jing Wally hasn't had a good set in the past couple of rotations.
We know that she can adjust,
Yeah.
but it would be easier for her to score a point if she gets a good set. But Rachel gets it. And again, Benito still having a difficult time moving.
And now FEU is up by 2 sets. Again, a nail biter.
As we take a look at their shake and play, courtesy of Rachel Andakis, and defensive error from Benito.
Look at our score. Saan kayo nakita ng ganyan score? 2 sets pa lang. So,
Looking at the leading scorers of FEU after the 2 sets, we have Magsumbol and Morada both with 9 points. Eulalio and Dakis both with 7. For San Sebastian, we have Boli with 15, Cruz with 9, Belen with 5, and Rubinos with 2.
Eulalio, again, with that quick attack. Ganda ng FEU. Gusto nga mag-pull away. Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Giselle C with a great serve. Yan ang set ni Boli. This one going through the block. Rachel down!
Look at Rachel Andakis. Galing siya dito sa right side ng court nila. She had to run as fast as she could. Look at this. Galing sa block, she had to run as fast as she could.
And
The
then
area of
brings
the
it
open
down.
hitter.
Galing. 11-6. FEU threatening. Giselle to Salgado. Buli gets blocked. Let's see if Salgado can chase it down, and she does. Jing Buli sends it over to Vargas. Oh, what's the ball? Pumped up right now.
She is really happy and ecstatic. Look at her jumping after she scores that point. There you can see, no, itong si C was able to deceive the blockers of San Sebastian, and she's really doing an excellent
That was on its way out, and that's the set. That's the oh, but Magsumbol was there. Oh, Magsumbol was there again. Oh, I like this battle going on between Jing and Magsumbol.
Oh, look at that!
There's a net. There's a net violation.
Oh, just as things were heating up, and the energy is just, it ends with a net violation error.
And I like the challenge that Magsumbol is giving Jing Buli.
And look at the height difference.
Have been looking for. They've been waiting for this.
But look at Morada. That's the spirit.
Look at Morada after this hit. Talagang,
And this sometimes makes volleyball, such a joy to watch.
That's right, that's right. There you see Morada, FEU pointing at that logo. Oh, great block, Magsumbol.
And she loved that one. Kaya naman, kung masipag ka talagang mag-block and you have the right timing, even if yung opponent, yung attacker on the other side is taller than you,
That's right.
kaya naman siyang ma-block. It's not
The
impossible.
serve to Boli. A nameless block.
But look at the blocking of FEU.
And now FEU with a commanding 8-point lead.
That's why they should actually maximize Jing in front.
Yeah. Okay, let's see if they go back to Jing. This time they go to Benito, to Agno.
Oh, but Salgado unable to get that one.
Rachel, the veteran, taking charge of this FEU attack. 19-10. Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Asking for it is Jing Buli, covered by Vargas. Rachel to Cruz. Dropped by Jing. They go back to Buli. Vargas with a dig.
Ball ending that rally.
Kanina pa yan yung Magsumbol. Walang pinipili eh. Basta umangat ang bola.
Talo.
Halo. Ganun naman kasi dapat.
And kahit sa blocking, even, despite her height, she really goes after, each and every attack.
Girls of Coach Roger.
Oh, but look at the elevation from Morada. Amazing. leap from this lean girl. Look at this.
Boom.
Yung ulo. Lagpas ng tape ng net. Nice kasi if you look at the attackers here from FU na simula din magsumol. Very explosive yung approach nila. That's what everybody is hoping for. Is for San Sebastian to hold on. What we don't want, siyempre, first appearance si Jen Coley is Salgado, and what the supporters of the Rigistas would like is to see them drop this game. But with the kind of performance we're seeing from FEU, Ian,
That's right.
no question about it.
The serve. They go to Vargas. That's the final point. And the season ends right here for the San Sebastian Lady Sags. First time ever in Shakey's V-League history that they are eliminated as early as this stage in the competitions. And
As we take a look at our Shakey's shake and play, giving FEU this win. Look at that, Kathleen magsunggol, no fear in hitting the attack.
What an exciting match that was. And again, congratulations to the FEU Lady Tamaras. And Ivy Remulla is with our Shakey's best player of the match.
Thank you, Ian. It was a very, very exciting match. And of course, one player stood out and outshined them all. And I'm here with her now, Kat Magsumbol. She scored an amazing 20 points. Ian, at 16 from attack, 3 from block, and 1 service ace.